Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at Fated, a pocket love oracle, a 13 card deck and guidebook by Athene Noctua. I still don't know, so forgive me if it's pronounced Athene or Athena, but I do apologize if I am getting it wrong. It's published by Hay House, retailing for $9.99 in the US and $12.99 in Canada, and of course everywhere that you can purchase this will be linked in the description box below. And this is a few of her decks that I have. This is the Crystal Ball Oracle. We have the Witch's Familiar Runic Oracle. I love this. And we have one of my favorite tarots, the Unfolding Path Tarot. If you want to check these out, the links will be up in the eye above. All right, let's get into it. Unravel the mysteries of love with this portable oracle deck. Each of the 13 enchanting cards is adorned with Athene Noctua's unique mystical illustrations and offers straightforward insights into matters of the heart. Whether you are seeking true love or navigating red flags, this deck provides divine guidance for all relationship inquiries. Let this oracle illuminate your path to love's truth wherever life's journey takes you. All right, let's see if I can open it without struggle. There we go. Look at the top of the box there. Ooh, and the bottom. So pretty. Okay, let's just take a peek at this little pocket guidebook here. In your hands, you hold a compact, straight-talking magical tool designed for quick and practical insights into matters of the heart. Love and relationship advice are some of the most common reasons people come to the cards for guidance. It's certainly a regular theme in readings for my close friendship circle. So it is with the deep affection I feel for those nearest to me, and in the hope that it will also serve the many radiant souls I have not yet met, who also search for love, that I was called to create a tool for divine communication containing both the unconditional love and the quote-unquote tough love that we all need to hear sometimes. In this deck, you won't find flowery language or rose-tinted glasses, just concise, no-nonsense guidance to help you navigate love's twists and turns with a teeny, tiny bit more clarity and confidence. Each card delivers a direct message, cutting through the noise and focusing on what truly matters in matters of love and relationships. Whether you're seeking answers to burning questions, pursuing general guidance on romantic decisions, or simply looking for a straightforward dose of wisdom, Fated, a pocket love oracle, is your fated companion. Compact enough to slip into your pocket or purse, this little love oracle is ready to provide clear guidance whenever and wherever you need it. Nice. Okay, so these are the messages for the cards, and then we have about the author. Awesome. Okay, let's get into the cards. I am excited. So they are a matte, and I would call this like a pocket or a mini size deck for sure. I love the owls. Let's talk cardstock. Okay, it's on a little bit of a thicker side here. I like that, but it's not too thick to where it's not flexible. It's snapping back. So I think with a smaller size deck and with less cards, you're going to need something a little bit more sturdier. All right. I'm going to read the bottom just in case those have a hard time seeing it on the video. Allow divine timing. I love a Luna moth. Beautiful possibilities. Boundaries. Oh, I love that art for it. Whoop. Cut the cord. Those scissors are gorgeous. Karmic relationship. Learn more about each other. Very sound advice. Ooh, red flag. Release desire to control. Romantic connection. Sacred friendship. Sweet. Oh, look at that face. Self-love. Oh. If you don't know, I am a cat person. Well, I'm an animal person through and through, but cats, they hold a very special place in my heart. Actual chemistry. I don't think I could say that word. And last, we have step back. Oh, I'm going to need those shoes. All right. Let's see how it shuffles here. I mean, it's going to be an interesting shuffle. Okay. Still shuffles. Let's see if it does it this way. Yep. If you can still shuffle 13 cards, that's awesome. All right, let's do overhand. It works this way too. Okay. Can we get a card to read, please? We're going to take this one. Oh, self-love. Okay, just a reminder. All right. For self-love, it says the best thing you can do right now for your love life is to redirect your yearning inward. Nurture a gentle, unconditional love for yourself. Give to yourself the love and affection you want to give to another. This card also calls on you to place a higher value on yourself. Don't settle for less than you are worth. Don't accept any treatment that you wouldn't tolerate for the people you love most in your life. I really like that because that's kind of like how I feel when talking about love and relationships. I really do like that advice. If it's like that RuPaul saying, if you can't love yourself, how is anybody else going to love you? Or something like that. I'm paraphrasing, but it is truly that way. I think this is great. It's just a little bit of information, but like that, if that's what you want, like that's going to work for you, right? It is truly a pocket oracle, you know. I am really liking this. And I like that it's not ooey gooey or like light and flowery language. It's like cutting to the point, telling you what you want to hear or what you need to hear, I should say. And it's giving you a little bit of advice along the way. I love that. The red flag, this card is a warning. Think back and take note of all the ill omens or toxic behavior you have already seen and tread carefully. I think this is great advice. I think this is a great little deck to have on hand, especially if you want to do more love readings for yourself, for guidance, or for your friends and family, or for clients. This is great. I think that Athena, her artwork is beautiful. Her decks are always really well thought out. And if you are looking for something similar, check out all these decks. If this is not a specific focus for you, check out her tarot, check out her crystal ball. This is for like quick answers. And then this is for runes and familiars. This one I really love too. They're all great. The art style is fantastic. I love, love, love the content that she produces. So let me know now what your thoughts are on this deck. Is this something that you're excited about? Is this something that you already own? Let me know all of your thoughts. Do you own any of her other decks? Let me know in the comments down below and drop a cat emoji to let me know you've made it this far in the video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you and I so appreciate you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on the way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.